Hello, Mike here from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today we're going to talk about if you are struggling to make money online, especially if you're a new person to making money online to get a passive income for the rest of your life. But first of all, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel before, click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for when notifications when my next video comes out. As I said, we are going to talk about if you are struggling to make money online, especially if you are a newcomer to this. It takes time, and it can take months before you actually start to make money online. Although you have to have the right keywords, Google, who actually pick up your keywords to actually show your YouTube videos, don't pick them up straight away. They wait until you've got so many videos up before they pick you up. Now, to be successful, I'm going to give you a scenario as regards myself, as I am a runner. And I took up, I'm now nearly 71. I took up running when I was 39. I joined a running club, and they had a coach there. Now, I went to his coaching sessions, but I'll be quite honest, it didn't get me any success in running races. I never got quicker, etc. Now then, if we jump forward 10 years to when I've turned 50, I did a race on my 50th birthday, actually, which was a 10k race. And I actually won the Vet 50 class. Wasn't a very good time. In fact, it was an appalling time. I was surprised I actually won it. But another coach from another running club spotted my time and spotted that I'd actually had won a race, or when I say won a race, won my class. And he asked me if I would be interested in coming to his coaching sessions. As he said, he'd seen that I'd won the Vet 50. Well, this totally changed my life. I went to these coaching sessions. It was twice a week. And I'll be quite honest, when I started, there were in two groups. He had two groups running at the same time. And the second group I was in, I was right at the back. But runners who I were running with said, don't let that worry you. It takes time to get to what you want. And this is the same when you're trying to earn money online. Now, I stuck to this training schedule of his. I followed it right to the letter. And I kept persevering and persevering. And the runners told me it's going to take you at least 6 months within this group, with at least 6 months before you will see any change whatsoever in your running pace, as regard what pace you can actually, or what time you can actually do in a race. And I thought, 6 months, that's not bad. But they said, don't forget, it could be 12 months also before you get really what you want, which is, when you think about it, it's a long time. But I stuck with it, and I stuck with his coach. I listened to everything he said, and within the 12 months, I'd knocked 5 minutes off my 10k time. 2 years later, I'm doing sub-3 marathons, which I'd never envisaged ever in my life to do. And this is because I had a coach who knew what he was doing and was able to tell me what to do. He taught me how to race, he taught me how to run, and he taught me everything I could ever possibly want to be able to do running. Now, I've won so many races, not just in this country, but even abroad. I've gone away when I was in my 50s, and I was winning my Vet 50 classes abroad, namely in America, Italy, Spain, you name it. So this is what I'm trying to get through to you is, it does not happen overnight when you are making money online. You have got to study how to make money online. You've got to listen to people. I mean, I watch many videos watching how people make videos. Yes, it's frightening if you're one of these people who doesn't want to put their face up on a video and speak and don't know what to say. But practice. Make demo videos. Don't be afraid. In time, you will learn how to make videos. I've done this exactly the same. I've learnt, I've watched other people, I've got a coach, which has also helped me, or you might call him not so much a coach, but a mentor, but it's the same thing. It depends which country you're in. I'm from the UK. But I think more in America, they probably would call them mentors, which is where my mentor came from, or to start with, then I had a mentor in the UK. So as I say, you've got to study, learn, and how to do it. It takes time and effort. So as I say, it's going to take you a long time before you start to make any money. Now, when you start getting views on your videos, people are not going to click onto you right away and buy whatever product you're selling. Sometimes they take 3 or 4 times before they come back. But the point is here, once Google has picked up you've looked at this particular YouTube video, hopefully mine, then Google will pick this up, and then when you go onto YouTube, Google will actually put your video at the side when you're actually looking at other videos, and you will see the videos there. And when you click on again, more than likely, the person who's clicked on is more likely to actually go into the site which you are promoting. So as I say, it takes time. It doesn't happen in a month. It doesn't happen in 2 months. You're going to be looking at around 6 months to 12 months before you start making any money. And don't think when you see all these gurus, they're making millions and millions of pounds, oh, I'm going to make that sort of money. Not everybody makes that. It's only a few. What you've got to think of is to make your first $100, or in my case, my first £100. Once you've done that, then you start to build on that. Then you go to $500, or in my case again, £500, and so on and so forth. You've got to think about the future, not about how much I'm going to make, but how many videos can I get out there regularly? If you can, make a video every day. If not, do it every other day. I'll be quite honest, I do mine every other day at the moment. People do tell me that I should do it every day, but you've got to think ahead of what you're going to say in each of your videos. I usually write a script out to see what I'm going to say, to make sure I know what I'm going to talk about. As here, I got a script in front of me. Ahead. If you've got a sheet of paper next to you, you're sat down watching the television or something, and something comes into your head, oh, I could talk about that on the video, write it down and keep doing that. So then you can make notes, and then you can, from these notes, you can make a script, then you can create a video. And this is the way to do it. Think about it. Look at other people's videos, take notes from those. And don't copy them, because obviously you're coming into copyright. But take ideas from other videos. This is the way to do it, so that you can create so many different videos. Yes, you will repeat yourself at times. That's no problem. You can repeat and repeat, but put it in a different way so that people understand what you're talking about. And as I said, making our money online takes time and effort. You've got to be prepared to put the hard work in. If you don't put the hard work in, you will not get anywhere. Don't give up because, after 2 months, nobody's clicked onto my videos yet. That you need to keep going. As I say, it's going to be probably 6 months before you get anywhere, before people start clicking on your videos. Because Google will pick up that you're putting out so many videos. But the other thing is, when you're putting all these videos out, you need to have the right keywords. Well, you can find keywords very easily. First of all, like YouTube, you go and put in earn money online. You will then get a list come up underneath of all the different keywords that come up for different which people put in. So that's one way of finding keywords. So this is, you've got to study and follow. And don't try and reinvent the wheel. I know I've said this many times, and you'll hear other people on their videos saying, don't try and invent the wheel. There's only one way to do it, and that's the proper way to do it. So don't, I'm going to say it again, don't try and invent the wheel, because if you do, you won't get anywhere. So please understand. I also have, if you look below, if you want some more information, a free ebook below, which you can download. I also, below that, have a 15 Steps to Success program down below there, where on this coach, as I was talking about earlier on, you get a coach and mentor there, which would teach you everything you need to know. So if you don't want to go for my free ebook to start with, then go for the 15 Steps to Success. There you will find everything you want. It teaches you how to do affiliate marketing, how to get a passive income, and to be able to earn money online, which is what I am doing. And this is what you need to do yourself. So please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please leave a message down below. And this is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.